Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the entire page body background color in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Pages section. From the list of pages, select the one you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor, which makes customizing your layout simple. Once inside the editor, look at the top left corner and click the Settings button. In the menu that appears, find the Background option. This is where you can make changes to your page's background. Next, choose the Classic background type. This option lets you set a solid color, gradient, or even an image. For this tutorial, select a solid color. You can use the color wheel to experiment with shades or enter a hex code for an exact match. Pick a color that fits your site's design or brand. When you're satisfied, save your changes by clicking at the bottom of the panel. So that's basically how you can change the entire page body background color in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.